Why do dogs make weird noises when they yawn? Sometimes it sounds like they're auditioning to be a police siren, and other times like they want to break every glass in your home, or some combination of both. So why do they do that? Some dog yawns are just like humans, where we just want to wake things up and get the oxygen flowing. But other yawns can indicate they're in a situation they don't want to be in, or that they're being submissive to authority, or even that it's time to cuddle. One thing that is consistent is that a dog's yawn sounds are a mode of communication, and it's primarily used to convey messages to humans, and not other dogs. So when your dog is making that horrific noise, they might be trying to tell you something. What it is exactly, you're going to have to try to find out for yourself.